welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be installing these 20-inch human hair boho crochet braids from none other than Toyotress. Keep on watching. So inside of the bundle, there are 8 packs, and with each pack, you get 12 braids. The braids are super high quality, beautiful braids, and beautiful human hair boho pieces. So I am using a new method to install these crochet braids. I'm doing the beater method in the back, and then I'm doing my regular crochet illusion method in the front. So this beater method I got from an Instagrammer. I'll link her information on the screen. But you literally use a beater, and then you feed the braids through the beater, attach it to your hair, and then secure it in place with a scrunchie. So instead of French braiding my hair in the back, I just have, I believe, 6 braids, 3 on either side. I feed the braids onto each side of my hair and then attach it in the middle with the scrunchie. But keep on watching, you'll see exactly what I mean. This method cut down on my time so immensely. This literally took about 30 minutes for the entire install. So in the front, I'm just doing the regular crochet method. I have the illusion braids up front, so I just created little boxes, braided my hair, and then attached it to the box behind it to create the illusions. I have about 3 or 4 rows of the illusion braids in the front. Here are the final results. I am absolutely obsessed with them. Let me know what you think in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.